Hello and welcome to Optimal Training Group, where keeping you well trained is our mission and success is your result. My name is Isaac Segundo, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to work with SharePoint list apps. Now, sometimes when you work with an organization or a company, they have lots of Excel spreadsheets that they've been keeping their data in, and when they finally get SharePoint, they want to get that data into SharePoint. And so once that data is in SharePoint, and I will show you in a different video how to upload data into SharePoint, they want to be able to manipulate that data. They want to be able to modify that data and just to do things to that data that'll help make sense to them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how, using the sample data, how to create what is called a view in SharePoint, and also how to group information in that view. And we're going to group by rep and then group by units. So I can see how many units each of these reps have sold. Now, what we're looking at here is a standard view, and this standard view shows all of your data. And sometimes you want to have a different view that is a subset of your data, or that is just a different way of showing your data, showing the same data but in a different way. And that different way we're going to be using is group by. It's to group by the rep and the units. So let's go ahead and get started. Right up here in the top, we're going to click on the list tab. And when you click on the list tab, you're going to get this ribbon. And this ribbon is the same sort of similar to the ribbons that you see in a Microsoft Word or in PowerPoint or any one of those Microsoft products if you use them. And we're going to come over here at the top and we're going to click on Create View. You're going to have these different options of the types of view you want to create, and we're going to keep it a standard view. And let's just call it group by. You have the option of making this a default view. So that initial view that we saw, by default, that's what it shows. But if you want this to show by default, you just check this. But we're going to leave it blank, empty. The audience is personal view. So if you create a personal view and you're in your organization, nobody else will be able to see that view, just you. So you want to keep it public if that's the intention. And then you have this section here that has all the columns that can appear in your view. Let's just add a created by column. You can also collapse or expand. We have the sort view. We're not going to sort anything in this view. You can also filter. But what we're looking for is we're going to be going to group by. And we're going to go over some of these other ones later, but in this video, group by. And so we're going to group by two things. The first thing we're going to group by is rep. And then you can have two levels of grouping. We're going to group by item next. Okay. And once you do that, just scroll down or all the way up to the top and click OK. Either direction is fine. Okay. Now, as you can see, here's my group by view. Here's my all items view. Let me go to all items real quick. This is the standard view, default view, all items, and that's what it gives you. So this is my view, and this view doesn't make sense to me. So that's why I created this group by, and that's how a lot of clients are. They want something that makes sense to them, and this makes sense. You group by the rep, and under each one it shows what they have sold, and that's also grouped by. So it shows all the binders, and also all the pencils. Then you have, for Morgan, binders, and then set. You can group by the region as well. So this is an example of group by and how to create a view in SharePoint. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like a SharePoint environment of your own to kind of practice these things that I'm going over, please email me at info@optimaltraininggroup.com, or just go to my website and click on Contact Us, and just send me a message. Let me know that you would like a SharePoint environment to practice in, and it's for a minimal cost. So yeah, just shoot me an email or hit me up on Facebook. All right, thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.